watch this all day. It's so pretty. Ganda, ganda, ganda. For sure, pag summer on a sunny day, ang ganda-ganda dito. Kahit ngayon niya ang ganda. Super ganda. So right now, we are going to a short hike. Going to the falls. Nick! Anong falls nga yun? Anong falls ipupuntahan natin? Naubo pa eh. Ano?
Water fountain.
Water fountain. No, oh my God, ang ganda. Wala na siyang it's not covered with snow anymore. Kasi spring na, nagme-melt na yung mga snow. But super ganda. Tama yung pinupuntahan natin kasi everyone's going this way. Come. So, sino yung sinasabi mo? Yung tour guide nandun din? Oh, okay. Is he supposed to go with us? Di ba, sabi niya kala ko tayo lang. Okay. That's good. We're gonna miss all his explaining. Lagi tayong nahuhuli eh. Ayan na ang ulan. Lalong lumalakas eh. Sabi nga ni Catherine at saka si Daniel, wow, na-stuck. No, nothing can stop us now. Na-stuck kay Daniela at saka kay Catherine eh. Move on! Oh my God! Look at that! Oh, I can hear. Sakala ko malayo. Ito lang pala sa Bukana. Ang daming falls kanina. Yung stop natin kanina, yan? Bride Falls? Okay, this is a falls. Brideville Falls. Okay. Parang puwet tingnan mo may it's like a butt. Tingnan mo yung pinakataas niya, parang bubot. Approaching, getting closer. So we are in a group tour. Konti lang kami. 7 people in a van. Talagang sineswerte tayo. Every time we start walking, it starts raining. Approaching. Hindi ko alam, may mga pala dito, black bear sa baba. Nakapayong pa.
Wow.
High-tech yung black bear eh. Kumakain din yan ng sandwich. Ay, malapit na.
Angry Birds running away from us.
What?
The Angry Bears running away from us.
Angry Birds?
The Angry Bear is running away from us.
Angry Bear going away from us. Okay. I think we're here. Ito na, marami ng tao eh. Ito na yung wow. Oh my God. Aliwag ba? Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh Ang ganda. Mag-propose ka dun sa ano.
Ilalim ng post dun.
Oo. Mag-propose ka dun sa ilalim ng post. Sabay na tanga yung ano eh. Wow. So, any comments? Anong masasabi nyo sa falls?
Post pa rin.
Nagpo-fall nga. It's going down, not going up. Wink, wink. Uy, nagsiselfie. Oh, kanya-kanyang banat, diba? Rain or shine yan. Yan ang buhay. Enjoy pa rin. Ganda, oh my gosh. Super, super duper ganda. I could just sit here all day. Ano? It's stunning. Oh my gosh. Here comes Gap. Yan yung mga taong wow, napapawaw ka na lang talaga. Ganda. Yan o, kanya-kanyang picture na. Tayo susunod dyan, picture din tayo.
Go. Oh.
Ganda-ganda. So, ano masasabi nyo? Maganda ba? So, ano yung sabi nung nung guide? Sabi niya, the downfall pag downfall. Nasabi ko downfall. Yeah, it's a downfall. Oh, so walang so that's all the snow right now that's melted. Kaya pag summer, yun naman, walang waterfalls. It says the rock formation, ano? Okay.
Like a mini vlog and doing.
Yeah.
Sabi ng guide, these rock formations have been there for millions of years.
Oh my gosh. Oh, grabe. Wow, baka may, wait.
But the dangerous part is baka mayroong black bear den sa loob.
That's the thing, let's go. I don't wanna encounter one. Though sabi nga niya, hindi sila nanga-attack talaga. Oh.
I want to see one, but like not on purpose. And then guess who's the grizzly bear?
I'm a brown bear. I'm wearing brown jacket. Oh, yung...
So cute.
I know, they're cute. Nakakatuwa eh. Kasi, tingnan mo, I think the rain is also part of the adventure.
I know, that's what makes it
That's what makes it more special. They're like drizzling right now. Huh?
I feel like it's a gloomy day, it makes it better.
Like,
I like it.
yun yung mga gusto ng photographer eh. Mga gantong Gab, nilagihil. It's like tiny rocks falling. We're back to the main road. Our next stop will be El Capitan. Para ho. We're crossing.
They sleep numerous nights either on a rock ledge or a portal ledge, which is like a climber spot. And then when they make it to the top, they hike down, and it's about 4 or 5 hours to hike down.
Wow.
Spring and fall are the climbing season. Summer's a little too hot to be in the sun for 5 days.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, all kinds of crazy stuff happens as well. In the summertime, they slack line down with a 2,000-foot rope, taking about an hour to make it down the road. this links you to the Valley Loop Trail, which is a 0.1 miles that way, and it goes in trees. So it goes all the way around the valley. So we'll link to it.
Welcome to Yosemite Valley. Ang ganda-ganda dito. I think this is our last stop. So it's pretty amazing. It's a live picture frame.